Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rey Antonio, 26 years old. I live in Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija City. I am married with 3 kids, 9, 8, and 2 years old. I have 5 siblings, and I'm the third one. I have 9 years experience taking care of the baby until now. I can cook, clean, and do laundry. I know how to take care of the baby, how to put them to sleep, and make meal and feed them. I can also sing lullabies and nursery rhymes. And I can also teach them how to write and read and play with them so they will not feel bored during the day and feel comfortable. I have a tattoo on my hand, but if you have to cover it so the child will not see, I will do it. I will use foundation to cover it. I understand the responsibility, cleaning the house chores and keep maintaining the house clean. This job means a lot for me. I can I can help my family for their needs and to secure the better future of my kids. I am trustworthy and persistent. I hope I can be the one to work with you. Have a good day, ma'am.